A group of state lawmakers unveiling new legislation today to crack down on squatters.
That's right. This is more homeowners have come forward with horror stories about the legal hurdles they faced when trying to get rid of these people from their properties.
Yeah, pretty wild stories. Fox 8's Morgan Mackay explains how this new bill could help them.
Squatters do not own property. They are intruders.
A group of Democratic state lawmakers introducing a bill that they say will crack down on the growing number of squatters living in New York City. A squatter is someone who moves into a home without the permission of the owner. At times, they will even produce fake documents to police claiming that the property is theirs.
We are losing more homes in Southeast Queens to foreclosure and squatting than anywhere else in the state.
This bill being introduced defines squatters as intruders under state law instead of tenants who are entitled to certain rights and protections. Right now, under New York City law, a tenant who lives in a home for more than 30 days is entitled to certain due process rights when it comes to evicting them. And with backlogs in court, it can take months for squatters to be evicted. But state lawmakers insist this tenant protection law does not apply to squatters since they are not tenants, and this bill will help define that.
Even after 30 days, a squatter does not have any property rights. The squatter is still an intruder, even after 30 days.
There have been several recent high-profile cases of squatters, including just recently in the Bronx, a group of migrants were arrested on gun and drug charges and said to be squatting inside a home in Norwood. Young Sobe stood in front of her property in Flushing and said it took 7 months and a $100,000 court process to get her home back from squatters.
It is very traumatic, and it's a nightmare, obviously. I still have a nightmare the day that we found the squatter.
A few city council members also plan to introduce a bill in the coming weeks to make it easier for police to remove squatters and track how often this practice happens. Mayor Eric Adams says he supports these efforts.
A woman's home is her castle, and we're going to look at the law. And we're going to make sure that we are able to protect homeowners in the city.
State lawmakers hope to pass this bill as soon as this month. Reporting from Flushing, I'm Morgan Mackay, Fox 5 News.